Welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is Simping. Now, today I'm going to show now a video clip. A short video clip. It involves a DJ. And I'm not sure if his name is 450, 450 or 450. I know he's an artist. Okay, when this is how I come across most new music. People who know come to me and say, alright, where do you think about you to know? I'm listen. Put on the BCC, I'm listen. Right. Now, this youth, I'm just call him numbers. I'm the know. Right. It's for 450 or 450. Right. I've heard a couple songs. Right. Actually, like the two songs I'm hearing so far. I haven't really dig deep into him catalog. You know, the song will say, Lonely. Right. I like that one there. But the one I really like are the one where, like him I say, he don't got no time for the cussing, and like we don't have sense. A bedroom we take revenge. And in the song him like, we don't know, like he start to speak and the tongues are sitting. And he say, pada poop. Something like starting in the song. I like that one. So far, sound like he's a youth to have potential. When we see a video, and we see numbers, I push finger in a girl mouth. That's the truth. Right. I could talk to him about it. Right. Because this tight enough thing I'm telling them before. If you actually listen. You know by now, right, my actual people I'm actually, say PIA, Patreon Squad, people actually tune into the movement. Even the people who pass by every now and then, but I pass by a long time. Some regularly talk about man and woman thing. Right. From day one we talk about man and woman thing, because that's part of the culture. And man and woman have to go figure it out, because a man and woman make homes and build nations and build families. Right. They tell me say every man them deluded. Man I walk around and beat them chest biggest, biggest. Bro, not to stop it, right? I say the evidence and the numbers don't back up on us. Man I beat them chest, them my gallus and my breeder and all kind of things, and we know say every man lead the world and I get in jacket. Too much simping I go on about the place. I understand, so now we live in the age where if you say anything that is not praise, you're immediately branded misogynist and you hate women, so enough man just curl up in their shell like a tortoise. Right. You ever say a tortoise said everybody's a turtle, right? But you know, them shell I say nothing. But I want thing, but the simping I get it on, can't I make it worse. Come here and talk about. But I've seen it every day. I understand this. And next reason why I always talk about man and woman thing is because a lot of children are raised in a hog pen. I'm not talking about right, a literal hog pen. But the woman then raised not come like a hog pen. People out here meet up and have picnic. Right, having entire about 3-4 picnic and they even like each other. They never like each other from day one. Of course, people can, quote unquote, be in love and then things change and fall. That's one thing. But when people never even check each other from morning, right? And the next thing, all the baby born and all kind of things, and baby I get pulled east, west, north, south, all kind of things. Enough of this is avoided. Right? We don't say you can, as I think it was the JCF, right? Communications, right? Experts say, control the variables. I mean, you can't control the variables in a relationship sometimes, but you can minimize risk. Right? You can mitigate risk. Yeah, that's what I try to do. When I understand that simping is dangerous. It's a threat to national security. And right, let's be honest here. Notice me not talk to you from the position of, what's the word? Like people who take an oath of celibacy and I'm very realistic. Right? We're men. Blood that flow through the vein. Right? Blood flow go down to the penis, seed bag, everything there. Right? Everything I work and you function as a man, we know it work. You see the titty them. Right? look like the peaks, right, in the Blue Mountain. We see the bumper push out so, and we see the hips gone so, and we see the thigh them gone so, right. And Roach, if she got a little nice, sweet little smile, and oh Lord have mercy, small head take over. But being able to regulate, right, your seed is necessary. Might keep you out of jail or keep you out of early grave. Understand this. Put more pressure on men when it comes on to relationship, because I'm telling you, you can't have strong families, strong nations with weak men. It's impossible. And when things go bad, it's usually the man who do the killing. You say, woman, right, and yes, Simple Simon, we're at the back. Right, we don't say, right, woman killed you, and I will tell me that. Right, but generally, right, when relationships go bad and somebody kills somebody, usually the man killing the woman. Men kill and get killed more. So why would you not put more? If you want to talk to one set, if you want to reduce killings, then you'd address the people that more kill and get killed more. Remember, even when a woman have beef with somebody and she want to settle it, she go for her man. If women had to take on them own a beef, then women would be more represented in the murder chart. Right? If women had to fight their own battles, they would be more represented in the murder figures. But they don't have to, because she can go for her man, and then her man are going to do the killing. You know how much man down a horizon right now, because they were sitting on them veranda, comfortable, and woman run come call them, say somebody say something to her, somebody do this, and him run go do something about it, and him end up down a horizon right now. I beard, what I want bath pan, not even one bath pan, one bucket. Plus, if you look at everything, right, all the statistics when you don't want men leading, right, men dead younger, right, men commit, right, men take them own life more, way more. But this is something people barely talk about, and it's not a crisis, because I'm telling you already, society look on males like how people look on a baby diaper. It's disposable. If a woman head hurt her, we must call a congressional meeting to find out why and how we can stop it, even if it's her own bad decisions or give her the headache. Save her, even from herself. But it often starts with the initial choice and who the man take up. I've just shown how the 450, 450, the 450 miss our numbers video time to all of this. Before me showing the video, full disclaimer. Women own them eagle eye and them body, and they can do what they want to do with it. If she didn't want put Mr. Numbers foot in her mouth, she could have do it. Her body, her choice, as them say. But guess what, men? You also have a choice. Your money, your choice. Your time, your choice. Your seed, your choice. Your attention, your choice. We now have to start getting better. Instead of cussing and trying to go kick down the girl through, she go do that to Mr. Numbers after you done carry her, go down a mobile, go spend $700,000 and get a hug. Go where you want it. I go break down something for you, but check out the video. I'm sure her father must be proud if she have one. Now, I could get a bit mathematical. I do some unicorn maths. I'm telling you about this long time, I'm going to put it, I'm going to draw up all that graph, right? I'm going to draw up all, I'm going to draw up all, I'm going to mathematics now. Now, I'm telling them about this already, but it look like I'm going to make it even more visual for you to understand. Because years now I'm telling them, when I make it visual, and I do it now where everybody can understand. Because I know time I make a video and people link me. And tell me, say, I know say look at you, but I know say, we come from we're on our own in a party. When time I young, I couldn't even go to school because mama said I have to go tend to the goat them. So I couldn't go to school. But when they make a video, I understand what you say. I can understand everything what you say. That's what I like make content. Because unlike most favorite experts and favorite scholars, I don't get an erection from trying to feel like I'm more educated than other people. If the people I'm talking to don't understand what I'm saying, then might as well be say nothing. My audience must understand what I'm saying. So understand this. There's something what them call an inverse relationship. Two things can have an inverse relationship. When one value increases, the other decreases. Inverse, opposite. You with me? I'm going to put it on the screen right now. What are those two things in this context? Well, I could just call the y-axis desire, attraction, lust. We could just call it desire. And the x-axis, that's the one where you see running from left to right in the screen. That one is rules, or quote-unquote morals or ethics or values or whatever. We're going to tell them out when it comes down to certain things. So that's rules, having sense, all them things there. So y is desire and x is rules. As y increase, x decreases. There's an inverse relationship. Maybe he didn't have a father or a big brother, or maybe he had a father and a big brother, but they were also simps. So none of them things I would never get when I'm not youth. Not understand how this thing really works. This principle will carry through every relationship in the entire life. There is an inverse relationship between desire and rules, or ethics, or principles, and all them things. When you link up with a girl and she say, "Oh, I'm gonna do this because I don't know your future." That's an example of a rule. That's an example of like a code of like ethics and them things. As one increase, the other decrease, or as y increase, x decrease. As desire increase, rules decrease. Ethics decrease. Morals decrease. Having sense decrease. This is why the same woman that tells Andrew from Grace Kennedy that he can't hug her after him spend $100,000 upon her at one fancy restaurant, cause she quote unquote doesn't know him like that, in quote. That same woman would make Mr. Numbers put his finger in her mouth. That same woman will make the man where she desire high desirability. She really want him. He make her eagle eye tingle just from even just looking upon him or hearing him voice. That man, not only does he not have to take her on a date and spend $100,000, but she not gonna tell him say he have to wait 792 days before him earn a chance to get the eagle eye. Not only will she give it to him before them go on the first date, much less on the first date, but if he don't even have a bed to lie down on, she will give it to him on the cold concrete. She will give it to him on one coconut tree. She will give it to him in the bushes. Maca and courage killer. She'll give it to him. Because there's an inverse relationship between desire and rules. So if she give you more rules, here is a simple way to determine what. You and a girl link up and she depend. If a man want to do this, you have to do this. And if you want to do this, you have to do this. And if you want to do this, you have to do this. If you want to do this, you have to do this. Guess what that means? Ding, 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 ding. You won the prize. her desire for you is low. Now, this guy who Sheba high desire for, that can become low afterwards because woman will like you and like you till just your name make her eagle eye with, and then when she get to know you and start opening your mouth, and then you know the attraction will slowly fizzle away. So even the man who have the high desire at first, he can lose it. But desire is a hell of a thing. So more rules, less desire. More desire, less rules. That is your signal. When you hear the whole heap of, if you want to see me, you have to go carry me go down one 10-star restaurant and spend at least $1 million per me before, right, you get to see me again. That is your signal to pull a Houdini and vanish. But this is what no man do. Them up the stakes. Them saying, yeah, alright, you may go spend even more money. I'm gonna put in even more time. I'm gonna give her even more attention. And them show everything that woman. Then one day, you wake up in the morning and you see a bit of flow through, and him look, him see girl finger, or him see Mr. Number's finger in her mouth after she make him wait 792 days for a hug. A hug, you know. And him brain chip because him done spend $6.3 million on her. No. Him start sharpening up him knife. Anyway, him catch her, she must dead. I'm telling him, say, simping is a risk to national security because what he was doing was simping. We know say it's hard to resist because we know say when woman said good, they said good. Woman can look so good, that's all until you're just unbaptized and say you're done with the world affairs. Yeah, what on the road? And you see Keisha walk towards you and you tell yourself, say, I rebuke the spirit of lust. And right after you walk past, say look at head, say, yo, why you tap your eyes and turn on your head? And you turn on your head. Them sit down and them watch brothers white out. And then them see one goes up, be a tattoo. Right? Then she goes on, be a big earring and pants and sag, and him say, oh, that a work. And that you want. So here the simping come, you know. Adapt me a bit too. That's simping. Changing who you are just for trying to impress a woman is simping. It doesn't matter. You could be a multi-trillionaire. It's simping. You know, say, that's not who you are. That's not even how you're raised. Trying to be who you're not. If you impress somebody where you can't really impress, because they will always be. Another 87. Carrier got always want another 87 until, of course, you know, she reach up in her age and become, you know, soft girl era. Right? Know her word and she a queen and all them things. But until then, dog no may suffer. Until now, you all a pretend say, right? You say, you all a this man and a war man and you know, say, you know, built for them type of thing because you can't sleep a bush. I just them a sleep a bush. Right? A boss say no want to sleep on them bush and you don't even know. Right? But it feel like we share a bed with a sibling. All of a sudden now in a bush with edges them and hide. Ask yourself, what me I do ask for father? Look how me get myself, you know. Simping is dangerous, you know. People have to be who they really are. The simping is everything, because once you're gone on the rabbit hole, there's no turning back. And we all know that chorus. Full of be a story. I'm just go so, I'm gonna come out and I'm gonna go so, and I go over, and I'm gonna say, I'm let the boy and this. Alright, bro. There's simply too much woman out there. Too much attractive woman out there. Too much woman who would make great girlfriend, wife, mother, everything. Fear run back and a acidic female. Fear run back a clout chasing groupie. Can now you go and beat her up. Hey girl, me see you in a video with numbers, finger in your mouth after you tell me say you need 200 days before you even shake my hand. Hey girl, I'm gonna kill you. When you heard that rubbish, you should have done like Michael Jackson and moonwalk away, because that is nonsense. When woman have high desire of a man, right, them the barriers they get put up. All if she try pretend, cause sometimes woman do that, you know. Sometimes a woman is like you, really like you, but she don't want to come across as quote unquote easy. She might put up a little, barrier right there. So, but just watch her actions and you realize, oh yeah, she's coming around. I just should have put up a little barrier. You should know what people say. But some of these rules, let me see, are float around on social media. Wait 100 days before you do this. Before you go on a date, make him cash up you $500. So in case he wastes your time. Brother, woman tell you that, just pack up your seat bag them and cut. She don't want you. Let's go on with you go. Have some self-respect. Go on with you go. See, I don't even blame the women them for trying to run them kind of game up on man now, because right, history has taught us that if somebody can take a fool, they will. I blame the man them who get themselves involved in this madness. Because if you are going to tell me, say, right, you're down on horizon, I say, where are they down there? You say, no, say, one girl tell me, say, before, right, me carry up on a date, me have to cash up her $1 million Jamaican, look YouTuber. I send her the $1 million look YouTuber. And then after that, I tell her to come link me, look, me see her on video with Mr. Numbers, some just kill her. They think me I'm going to put my hand around here and say, come give me a hug. Move friend there. Come go up. The fact that you indulge in such ridiculous, right, policies, sure say, you need to go born out sometime down the horizon. They don't understand. Cash up money before what? I must say you're the difference now. You can meet a woman, like a woman I want, make her flex that woman. And you realize that she not really up like that. And you say you watch her, boom. More and carry her, go outside and more and make her flex. In your mind you say, can't go up on the road with that girl that look so. Whereas if you know that she not really have it like that. So you say, watch her, go to your ear. And then buy her shorts and something and go up on the road. That is completely different from the woman telling you, say, if you want to see me, you need to send me $500,000. If that's not the case, then what's the difference between you going on a port in the store to go buy some eagle eye? At least that will work out cheaper, because I'm sure that not cost you $500,000. Like, you have to tell the woman, say, like, and she go do this, alright, but make sure you have to go send me this before me go here, son. I don't know how to do it when you're better than me. You can make the decision. You can say, watch out. When you go to your ear, hold this, when you go to your ear and do your nails, so you touch the road. That's different. But cash up 500, cash up with this before, in case you waste my time. Waste time? So my time don't mean nothing. You know, when you build different, bro. But simping is dangerous. So remember, when she tell us, say, she no hug man, unless she know them this time. She no kiss man, unless she know, no man can do this unless, no, when she says she don't do this, she means she don't do it with you. When she says she don't do this, whatever this is, she means she doesn't do it with you. If a woman want to get the chopper them, the killer them, the artist them, the best are, that is up to her. Fear an eagle eye, fear her body, her choice. But you have a choice too. But you don't use your own. Simping is dangerous, bro. She like you, she make herself available. And of course there are limits. I'm not saying every woman will do everything. But when it comes down to the kissing and the touching and when them guinea eagle eye and them rules there, no, then you have to revert to this the farmer now, me show. Remember, it's an inverse relationship. So when once you start hear about this and that, and you have to do this and you have to do that, and you have to do this, you have to do that. And you have to wait this long, you have to wait this, and wait this, and wait this. Inverse relationship. This is not 1925. Way back in the day, that was just how it was. Right, weird. Right? It was like a certain society was built different. Them love use quotes from men who they lived 50, 100 years ago. Well, the woman them that deal with, and the woman them we are dealing with now. Right? And the man them, where the woman them are deal with now, is not the man them, where the woman them are deal with then. Different era, different generations. Societies evolve. Sometimes better, sometimes worse. When Marcus Garvey and Malcolm X and Louise Bennett and these people that talk about women back in, them never talk about that early. In the numbers video, I'm showing them. Them time there, women used to have the decency to at least hide and keep certain things behind closed door. Right now, it's out there. And that's a good thing, because now that it's out there, now you know if you avoid. But it's out there and you see it and you still running at it head on. And now you want to come kill the woman. That's who she is. Instead of trying to change and beat the woman into becoming something what you want her to be, let's go find the woman who actually is that. Because when you seen at the numbers video, you can get a girl who publicly will never do that, but privately should do it and hold it more. Don't get the confusion when you talk about kerosene and Maybelline. Don't think say Maybelline automatically mean lame. Maybelline can do everything Kerry do. It's just that Maybelline do fair things behind closed door with our man. Some woman will do it for any hot DJ, for any chopper with a clean Mark X. And she'll do it and make like dance so everybody see. So as usual, you come see the grain of salt. Because I numbers a DJ don't know, so what main thing of bad mind scam and DJ. Right, so straight bad mind. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Vulture squad, see you circling. Bless.